Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by freeing active RAM immediately. Save your work, close all heavy apps, then open Task Manager and sort by memory to identify top consumers. End only non-essential processes, avoid system-critical items. Once done, disable unnecessary startup entries so the same apps don't reload after reboot. You do this because active processes and auto-start apps hold RAM and increase swapping. Removing them now reduces page file usage and gives instant responsive improvement without hardware changes. Next, tackle virtual memory behavior and driver-induced leaks. Open virtual memory settings and note current size. Temporarily set a custom page file of 0 and reboot to clear fragmented page file allocations, then set it back to System Managed to recreate a contiguous file. You do this because a fragmented page file increases disk I/O and slows memory operations. Also update chipset and graphics drivers and run a reputable memory cleanup utility if needed. These steps reduce leaks and stabilize allocation paths. Finish by verifying hardware and locking in clean state. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic or memtest 86 to confirm RAM integrity, because bad modules mimic memory bloat. After tests, perform a full reboot and use lighter hibernation or sleep settings to avoid cached growth. Make sure to monitor Task Manager for returning offenders over 24-48 hours. If the system becomes unstable or you see repeated crashes, boot into safe mode and undo recent changes or use system, restore to roll back to a known good configuration. This is your
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.